Hello there, and welcome to this geometry exercise. Now, geometry in this case is all about reflections, rotations of different shapes and the different angles as well. So in this case, we're rotating the triangle about P on 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now, rotation means that you pick up an object or a shape and you turn it around, whether it's to the left or it's to the right. Now, anti-clockwise moves to the left, and clockwise, which we know goes towards a clock, is always to the right. So the question states, rotate the triangle about P by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So about P means there has to be on the point P. 90 degrees anti-clockwise means that the shape's going to rotate 90 degrees to the left, but it still has to be based on the point P. So let's have a go at this, and let's try and project this in our shape here. So we have what we call P, which is just there. Now we're going to actually use that P and rotate the triangle 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so 90 degrees to the left side on P. Let's try and do that as best as we possibly can. So this shape here that you can see, has to rotate to the left by just 90 degrees, okay, just 90 degrees. That means that this P here will stay where it is now, okay? So this P will stay where it is now, but these points are going to come down here 90 degrees. So we're just going to change this shape. So this particular point that we've got here, this point there, this line there, comes just here. So we're just moving it 90 degrees to the left. Okay, so you have to kind of visualize this in your head. That point, this line, comes down here, this line that I've just made there. Now we're going to project this line here, which is 3 squares, which is going vertically. That's now going to go here horizontally here to the left. So let's just make that line there as well. There we go. Let's just start there. I'm going to go finish just there. Okay. So this particular line here is this line here. So it goes across 3 squares. Now the diagonal line, which goes across here, we're just going to project just down here. All right, so let's just add this up as well. There we go. So that's our triangle that has now originally started from there and ended up rotating 90 degrees to the left-hand side. All right, so that's our new triangle, which is obviously this triangle down here that we've projected 90 degrees anti-clockwise. That means to the left-hand side. All right, so the rest of the questions are very similar in nature. You just have to go through them and see the projection. So this particular question, question number 2, says rotate the triangle about Q by 180 degrees. So you're actually flipping the shape over right on the other side. So you've got various options here, A, B, or C. So which shape, or A, B, or C, do you think is going to be rotated 180 degrees? In other words, it's going to be a full half turn on the other side of the grid. Try your best with these questions. We'll go through every single one of them in our next follow-up class. Good luck.